Alright, here's the first night we're gonna sleep in the camper. First time the monkeys are coming inside the camper. We've got to go get the rest of them out of the van, outside. But we're still at home. We're gonna do a trial run.
This is Card Yard camping.
Here's Bear, and here's Birdie first. Go check it out, Birdie.
Shut that door.
Y'all can see we've got their big pan in here. So they're checking it out right quick. And we're gonna go get the rest of them.
Here we go, guys. Let the adventures begin.
Go. Go see what you got in there. Oh, shoot.
It'll take about 30 seconds. Dude, buddy. Come here, Rooster.
What about it, Rooster? Oh, goodness. You go back there and look? Huh? What do you think, Lucy? And Birdie? And Bella? What is it? It's not the space that y'all are used to, I know, but at least it lets us go somewhere.
Hey, we put that there for you.
They're like in that little loft up there. You like the bunk beds? Y'all hiding from us up there, ain't you? And Bear's seeing what all he can tear up right now. He's checking everything and just making sure we got
Taking
everything.
mental notes.
Yeah, he's making sure we got everything good. There'll be a lot of movement in this little area. But it's what, 16 foot by 8 foot, so that's how many square foot?
Let's not get into math on camera. And it's 8-foot ceilings.
No, it's taller than 8 foot ceiling. 9 or so.
Yeah, 9.
So that's our setup. Bear's turning the lights on and off up there. Do what?
We're gonna have some camping trips like none other.
I can guarantee you that. Nobody else is dumb enough to go in a camper with 6 monkeys.
No, we're not.
Just us. Look at them up there. Is it fun, Lucy and Bella? Oh, they feel the air. They just are overwhelmed with excitement at the moment. I have a feeling the excitement's going to wear off, though.
Takes them a while.
We'll have to change things up.
If you jump into that wall, buddy, there's nothing there. In a wall.
Got lots of cozy places, too, for us to come and sit and hang out with them. We'll have lots of blankets in here, too. I just don't have the bedding in here yet. As far as covers and stuff, pillows.
Well, it took us how long to do all this?
Well, we've been sick,
I
so
know.
we're still sick.
Sickness and all, it's took us 4 days.
When did we get it? Last Friday?
Friday.
So, yeah. So we'd work on it, we'd be sick, we'd work on it, we'd be sick.
No, we'd be sick and work on
Yeah.
it.
So we're good during the day, and then the evenings we start feeling like crap again. Hope y'all enjoy.